Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Asian Lady Beetle in Heartopia. Okay, let me show you my insect story. And this is how the Asian Lady Beetle looks like. And I'm going to show you the details information about this insect. Okay, basically you can catch this insect during the rainy weather condition and also the rainbow event. And you can catch it from forest, specifically from the deer tower. So during the rainy weather and also the rainbow event, you can go to the deer tower and try to catch this Asian lady beetle. Okay, and let me show you the deer tower location. It's right here. If you want to catch it, you can go to this deer tower. Okay guys, and that's where you can catch the Asian Lady Beetle in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!